All right, so what do we have here?
We have a guitar that we are building by ourselves.
My uncle told me about these mini guitar kits from StewMac. Hey, come check this out.
I know, the pack's here.
We were talking about things to do with the kids while we're all stuck in the house in the shelter in place. Oh, dish mess. It's starting to hit a little bit. I need something to do with the kids. And are you gonna help me do it? I just think this is a great idea. So me and the two boys are gonna spend the weekend putting this together. So what do you think? Are you excited about it? Me too. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. We are going to open the box. Oh.
Very cool. We've got our instruction kit here.
Careful.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Amazing.
Can you unpack that for us? Oh, some guitar strings. So we got 2 files here.
Measure.
Okay.
Fancy.
Nice little StewMac ruler here.
A soldering tip.
That's right. That is a nice soldering tip. Okay, we got everything set up. We got our tools ready to go. We're gonna get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the neck off of the body.
How are you doing that?
This guy off. Cut the peg head to shape. Okay, I didn't have a vise, but I had some clamps. All right, Henry, you ready?
Yes.
Never cut on the line, cut just outside the line so you get sand to the line. Okay. Do you think it looks good?
Yeah.
Woo! I think it does too. All right, let's sand it down and make it a nice shape.
We are unbolting everything and taking it apart because we don't want to sand down the metal.
You want to do the sanding?
Sure.
Okay. Going with the grain.
Like that. You want to get the inside too.
It's getting there, isn't it? Now we need to wipe it down with a wet rag to bring out the grain.
Make sure to wet in everything. Don't forget to get the insides. We're bringing out the grain so we can paint it. That looks good. So it says that we should paint it.
Yeah? Okay. I think we're gonna let Alex do the pike head design. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Our other son Alex has agreed to paint the headstock. You ready to do some painting? There you go. It is yours to do what you will with. So Henry and I made some good progress yesterday. Got everything sanded. Alex got a good paint job on the headstock. I think I want to show this to my uncle before I go any farther.
Can I press it?
Sure, that second one down.
Hello.
Hey, Uncle Dan.
Hey, Dan.
How you doing, Big D?
Great. What's happening? Hi, Henry.
Hello.
So you know we were working on that mini tea kit, right? So Alex designed the peg head and did a paint job on it.
Good Lord.
Isn't that great?
It's awesome. It's like a lightning storm.
I know, it's really cool.
Are you doing this with him there, Henry? Hold that up against your chest. That's the perfect size.
It's the perfect size, I know.
Keep me informed.
I will. I'll show you as soon as we get it all put together and it's stained and everything. I'll give you another call and show you the finished product.
Can't wait. I love you, man.
I love you too. Can you say bye, Henry?
Bye.
All right, you want to hang up? Okay, Henry.
Time.
Okay, so now it's time to do what's called degreasing the body and the neck. So this is what we're going to use.
No, I'm not doing that.
Watch, I'll show you how to do it. We're going to put some on a cloth, and then we're going to go like this. And wipe it down. Can you try?
No.
Okay, you don't have to.
It's freaking me out.
Look how pretty that looks though when it's done.
Can I touch it?
Here, try. And I'll do the neck if you'll do the body, okay?
Okay.
So now we're going to let that dry while we mix some filler.
Yay, I can do the mixing part, right?
You can do the mixing part,
Can
absolutely.
I undo my gloves?
We'll put on new gloves.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Looks good. So we've got our parts and we've got our guitar and our instructions.
Are we ready?
We are ready. all wired up. Just needs to be strung up. And that'll be ready to go. You excited? I think he's gonna like it.
Hello? Hey!
Hey, Big D!
Is that Henry back there?
That is Henry back here. We wanted to share a little update on the mini telly that we've been working on.
Oh boy.
You ready for it?
You're gonna like it. Trust me.
I trust you, man. Whoa.
We got it all assembled this weekend.
Gosh.
Look at that.
Yep, that's mighty fine. Hey, Henry.
Yeah.
You know what? This is gonna get you inspired. You know what that means?
Yep. Inspired means like creative.
Can we play you a sound sample? You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, obviously I got a little distortion on there.
I need my earphones.
This has been awesome to build this guitar. I was so surprised it came together so easily.
I bet you'll do another something.
I think so too. I actually want to build a full-size guitar.
An acoustic guitar.
Acoustic would be awesome. Anyway, we just wanted to share it with you.
Thank you so much. It's really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I'm proud of you, Henry. Proud.
All right, see you, Big D.
It says do not stack fragile. I didn't know it would be this fragile. You can't even stack it.
You can't even stack it.
I could imagine me playing this.
Me too.
This looks so awesome. We could play this for days. Well,
All right.
that is a strong smell.
That is a strong smell.
It's intense. I don't even like it at all.
So what are you doing with your bass right now?
Painting it?
Just random designs?
Yes.
Okay. Looks like we need a project to do together. Doesn't it seem like that? It works. It works. That is crazy. It works. Why don't you take a break and put another glove on your other hand? Just so you don't have to worry about your hands getting super stainy, huh?
Yes.
I don't think your mom would like that very much.
If I walked in and touched the TV remote, yeah,
That would be
a disaster.